Them a bun me but my fireproof. Send me this the black woman for you and now I'm a fool.
People, we know well on around on Kartel, right? I wanna see with the woman. The woman not fussy. She have everything to her comfort. You know, act like I said, Sidem as somebody were left and come from London, did a dead for hungry. So as she say Vybz Kartel things them, she go just jump all over them and spend out the money.
To God be the glory, great things he has done. I want to buy some grocery and put in my house. And Kartel give me the money. Kartel, I buy the grocery them. I'm a baby grocery them, yeah. They don't know say, oh, the man come a beat and a teach you, and you sing the song, them and make the man come a beat and a bumper clad teach you, over real shalabar.
So you see all I one where we used to wear the batty rider and the batty jar them a drop out and everything else a drop out. If Vybz Kartel soon, Vybz Kartel is not that type of person no more.
Some of them a say Sidem and some a say Tanisha. Let go me t-shirt.
So what going people, big up on yourself. You see me I say respect for tuning into another video also. But people, we all know that Vybz Kartel shell down the party at Mecca Sunday night. You see me I say, and it has brought a lot of speculation across the internet. You see me I say, and conversation overall. You see me I say, because enough people say Vybz Kartel shame the chopper them. You see me I say, because while the chopper them they out here I say them a chop and them a shell down bar and beat club and dance, none of them never do it like Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, and enough of people in the street have also heard make suggestion like, oh, Vybz Kartel can't come against the chopper them no day. You see me I say, because Vybz Kartel have as much money like the chopper them. You see me I say, I just show the chopper them can't broadcast them thing like Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, and people basically when me hear that me have to just laugh and shake my head. But here I want you tell me what you think about all of that down into the comment section. You see me I say, but as I said before, enough people say yo Vybz Kartel shame the chopper them because none of them can't do what Vybz Kartel do, and we all know people. Vybz Kartel spend over $3 million at Mecca Sunday night. You see me I say, and the artist even give away 400,000 too. You see me I say, but here what I want to check out the video here and drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section. What do you think about this situation?
Hey, then you see Uncle Kartel come from prison and show up a chopper artist them. The artists them will sing. I not even know the blood clot song them. The chopping here and the chopping there and the 1,000,001 chopping what them a do. And them got dance and buy liquor for themselves and them entourage follow back of them and so them shell the bar and them and chopper. They don't know say, oh, the man come a beat and a teach you, and sing the song them and make the man come a beat and a bumper clad teach you, over real shell bar.
Yes, so that is it, people. You see me I say, and basically, I want to tell me down into the comment section if personally, if you ever see a scammer do it like how Vybz Kartel do it. You see me I say, because after Vybz Kartel spend the 3 mil, me say Vybz Kartel even make the club owners them know say, alright, then make sure everybody good and everybody get a liquor. And you know, all of the party fanatics them also a big up Vybz Kartel to just the same cause when a man did a go at the party and a plan to spend 20,000 or 10,000 or 40,000. You see me I say, him get to save and keep back that money to same way people. You see me I say, and you don't know. I want to tell me about what you really think about all of this. You see me I say, people, and for all of those who don't really know what I'm talking about, check out this video.
Yeah, so we drink 10 Moet. The fans them get 13 Moet and 30 buckle of Hennessy. That's everything set. A rich lifestyle. Plus me just dash some money in that crowd, 400,000. And just call it a day. You know what I mean there? Love God. God give me my powers. Yeah. And anytime God ready to take it, he will take it. Until then, I'm active and we're out here. What is under my nose?
I'm out.
Oh. And at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel also give away 400,000 to inner the party, as you may say. But right here, we have a female here where basically this female I say she never did really approach Vybz Kartel inner the party, as you may say. And she say she never drink none of liquor. She wait till she see Vybz Kartel out the door, as you may say. And basically, the artist give her 80,000 Jamaican dollar for buy grocery, as you may say. So here what she buy the grocery them, and right now she a big up Vybz Kartel. So check out this.
To God be the glory, great things he has done. Last night, I see Kartel and Mecca give a be a champagne, be a Hennessy and be a things. Me decide for wait on Kartel out the door. When I see Kartel, me not get the Hennessy, me not get the champagne, I want to buy some grocery and put in my house.
And Cartel give me the money. Cartel, I buy the grocery them. I'm a baby grocery them, yeah. Look more, the rice and the flour and the sugar and the caramel come in. Come and order them from a cousin store. One Gaza nation, you know. Big up yourself, Cartel. Or it come down.
So really and truly, people, when time I look into this, yeah, me have to say big up to Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, it no matter if you want to say good or bad about the artist, this is a good gesture. You see me I say, and big up Vybz Kartel for this to same speed. You even hear the lady basically I say, this is for her child and baiting. You see me I say, and this lady is very smart because she never really want no liquor or drink out for her thing. You see me I say, if you notice where she choose grocery. You see me I say, and big up to Vybz Kartel again for all of this. You see me I say, and people want to know Japan on honest thoughts down into the comment section. Also, people will see where in which people has been bashing Vybz Kartel wife Sidem on the internet. You see me I say, and we also see where in which Vybz Kartel come out and address the situation to just to see him and make the females them know say yo, I know everybody want just like or like them. And basically the artist are defend him wife. And also enough people have bashed Vybz Kartel for that to just to see him. You see me I say, because at the end of the day the artist even make the people them know say watch you know him wife no fussy. See them no fussy none at all. You see me I say, and really and truly people, if you was to look into it, she have money. It's a girl where she used to money. You see me I say, but true enough of them Jamaican females and really used to money, and because of jealousy, because most of them are, maybe all of them want Vybz Kartel, or them just not really like to see good for others. You see me? And basically it is also alleging the street that enough people are texting them on our social media them, you know, and I show our pictures and videos of Vybz Kartel in the dance with other females. You see me I say, so you don't know, people always try to break what is good. You see me I say, but people also, we have a female here right now, a share our intake on the whole situation. So basically people want to check it out and tell me what you think about it.
Now tell me why me wake up and see Vybz Kartel have to disrespect some girl now. People, we know well on around on Cartel, right? I wanna see him with the woman. The woman not fussy. She have everything to her comfort. She's just not a fussy person. You see, people are used to money, people, them not frightened because that's something what them used to. You know, act like I said, see them as somebody were left and come from London, did a dead for hungry. So as she see Vybz Kartel things them, she go just jump all over them and spend out the money. Remember, she did out here 9 years and spend out the money and you never see she dress up. She her hair naturally pretty. She naturally pretty. Her skin naturally clean. She no need for buy. She no need for add on and put on. But to make the man have this or no. Wanna feel like I say a papi show him take her for? No, I'm wife. He's him wife to be. So you see, well, I don't ever get it, get with the plan. So if you wanna try if it this or him I got this or no. So you see, all I one way we used to wear the batty rider and the batty jar, them a drop out and everything else a drop out for Vybz Kartel soon. Vybz Kartel is not that type of person anymore. Yes, him soon I don't look nice, but you don't mean nothing to him anymore. Why uno gang text up on the man fiance, but oh she needs some new clothes, she not have no clothes. That's me wake up and hear the man say, you wanna everybody dress like or. I wonder if you hear what man say. The Vybz Kartel was sing the most controversial song, World Boss Adidja Palmer, and everybody dressed like or like uno. Uno feel. Uno feel. At the end of the day, man doing music, but yes, so him find a wife. Him find a wife when a fussy and frightened for nothing. Not even a range where she a drive, she not fussy and frightened for. And uno a frightened over her clothes them when she not frightened. Right? And uno have to make the man disrespect uno. Because if I da uno, the reason why uno take step on her and her clothes them is because if I da uno then at the position where she then uno then spend every day. That's why uno not in it. Uno go on till this man disrespect uno the most way because this man is not he's not about to allow uno to disrespect her and bully her and abuse her. If you don't want to live groupie life, live groupie life. If you don't want to live side chick life, live side chick life. Whether I'm going to come sleep, we don't know afterward or with that sleep, we don't know before. The fact of the matter is, she is wife. Wife. Fiance to be wife. Be very careful what you say about this lady. This lady has been there for Vybz Kartel when everybody else all out to a mention and turn them back on him. Don't believe for a minute so Vybz Kartel are gonna make on a disrespect to them. And don't answer no. Him not go follow it up every 5 minutes like a bish. Because he's a man. But when you don't get too much pan top of him nerves, maga answer no. And you know what it is? You not happen to get pan top of the man nerves, no. The man say and make it sink in. And not everybody frightened for dress like or like uno. Meaning, cause you not go on like you don't know the interpretation. All the time when you need a dress a little bit and naked and not have on nothing for catch him attention, that's all him say was. Oh, never wife material. Him never say as wife material. And nothing wrong with no dressing, no dress on all you feel like, but leave no man alone because she not beg on no clothes. Because somehow who attacks her she need clothes. She could have buy one old family clothes and a broke.
So basically, people, that is it. You see me I say, and really and truly I agree with this lady. You see me I say, because when you really look into it, I know everybody frightened for certain things. You see me I say, and because some of these Jamaican females know say, if a them they wear Sidem is right now, yeah, them would have spent like crazy. You see me I say, but at the end of the day, if the female not really frightened for certain thing or she not really feel comfortable wearing certain outfit, you see me I say, it's all up to her and it's her decision. You see me I say, but people want to know drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation. Yeah man, make we discuss it. You see me I say, also remember to give this video a like because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. You see me I say, also subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. But you don't know how we do the thing already, people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.